Dushanbe, the city of peace, the city of love and friendship. Here dreams are born and the most ambitious projects come true. It is a city of young ideas, beautiful art objects and amazing people. The young capital of modern Tajikistan, once born at the crossroads of civilizations, today amazes guests with its cordiality and oriental splendor. Life and traditions originated here many centuries ago. Archaeologists have established that during the Neolithic period, there was a settlement of primitive people on this territory. During the reign of the Kushanids, culture and art also developed in this region. In the 5th-8th centuries, Dushanbe was one of the most important centers of crafts. On the territory of modern Dushanbe, archaeologists have discovered various decorations, pottery statues of gods and animals, cutlery as well as ceramic water pipes, which testifies to the high skill of the inhabitants of this region. Already at the beginning of the 20th century, Dushanbe is experiencing new pages in its history. The city is becoming an important center of commerce and transit point in Central Asia. Convenient road forks linking Dushanbe with different regions and countries contribute to the development of trade, expansion of territories and population growth. So, after the October Revolution in 1924, the autonomous Soviet Socialist Republic of Tajikistan was formed with its capital in Dushanbe. On October 16, 1929, the Autonomous Republic of Tajikistan was transformed into the Soviet Republic of Tajikistan. In the same year, the first railway terminus Dushanbe was opened, along which the first train arrived in Tajikistan. Various cultural and administrative centers are opening in the Tajik capital. This young city is surely developing and is becoming one of the developed cultural centers of the entire Central Asian region. Theatrical and musical arts are flourishing. The theaters stage plays by Dushanbe playwrights, which are sold out. The golden period in the development of classical and contemporary Tajik music, film and television. The era of modern Tajikistan was born on September 9, 1991. On this day, the Republic of Tajikistan celebrates the birth of the state independence. For 30 years, through the efforts of the leader of the nation, the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, His Excellency Emomali Rahman, Dushanbe has received a special status, a city of creation, peace and unity. The appearance of the country's main city has completely changed over the years. This is a city for comfortable travel, family holidays and romantic pastime. At the same time, modern Dushanbe reflects the ancient history of the Tajik people. One of the masterpieces of architecture from this period is Navruzgah Palace, which in 2019 was included in the list of 8 modern wonders recognized by the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. The art of painting, carving, processing wood, plaster and mirror painting, stone carving, these ancient crafts of the Tajik people are embodied in this building and performed very skillfully. The National Museum of Tajikistan is also unique in its architecture and keeps the best masterpieces of ancestors representing the history and civilization of the Tajik people. The most unique find of the National Archaeological Museum of Tajikistan is a 14-meter statue of Buddha dating back to the 8th century. The National Library of Tajikistan is the largest library in Central Asia with cultural and scientific ties with the most authoritative libraries in the world. Currently, there are several professional theaters in Dushanbe that annually participate in international festivals. Since independence, the capital of Tajikistan, the city of Dushanbe, has reportedly become a platform for international and regional events. Over the past 4 years, Dushanbe, under the leadership of the mayor of the city, respected Rostami Emomali, has grown rapidly and has undergone a complete transformation in a short period of time. During this time, more than 60 parks of culture and recreation have been built and repaired for both and individual recreation. Here you can enjoy clean air and amazing landscapes. According to an authoritative survey, Dushanbe was included in the list of 10 cities of the Commonwealth of Independent States recommended for tourism and was also declared the safest city in the CIS. In addition, at the time of independence, it was twice awarded the title of City of Peace from the Silk Road Fund. In 2001, Dushanbe was declared the cultural capital of the CIS. Today, Dushanbe has cultural ties with 18 major sister cities around the world, and these relations enrich the cultural image of the Tajik capital. Dushanbe, the city of youth and respectable old age. It's a city worthy of love and admirable wisdom. It is the city in which happiness lives and children's laughter sounds. A city that is buried in flowers and in the love of caring hands. Unique, flourishing, multinational, our city of Dushanbe. Peace to your home, our capital. And welcome to Dushanbe.